In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively create bookmarks in Microsoft Word, a handy feature that can greatly enhance your document navigation and organization skills. Whether you're drafting a lengthy report or curating a personal document, knowing how to add bookmarks will save you time and keep your workflow smooth. Let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Word file you want to work on. This could be any document you've been working on, whether it's for a project, school, or just a collection of personal notes. Take a moment to locate the specific text in your document that you'd like to bookmark. This could be a section heading, an important paragraph, or any piece of information you refer to frequently. Once you've found the desired text, use your mouse or keyboard to highlight it. This selection will be where the bookmark anchors itself, acting as a reference point within your document. Now look towards the top of your screen and click on the Insert tab in the menu bar. It's nestled among other options like Home and Design, so keep an eye out for it. Under the Insert tab, you'll find a group labeled Links, and in there, an option for Bookmark. Click on Bookmark to open a dialog box. The Bookmark dialog box is a fairly simple tool, but incredibly useful for organizing your document. Here, you need to assign a name to the bookmark you're creating. Remember, bookmark names cannot include spaces, so it's helpful to use something concise and descriptive, perhaps a keyword or phrase that reminds you of the text. After entering your chosen name, click Add. Once you've clicked Add, congratulations, your bookmark is officially created. You can repeat these steps as needed to create multiple bookmarks throughout your document. They help you quickly maneuver around large documents. Imagine not having to scroll endlessly or search for text every time you need to reference a particular section. As you work on your document, these bookmarks not only speed up navigation, but also enhance your overall efficiency. They are particularly advantageous when working collaboratively, allowing you to direct others to specific parts of your document with ease. In conclusion, mastering bookmarks in Microsoft Word can significantly streamline your document management, especially when dealing with complex files. It's such a simple tool, yet it has a powerful impact on how you interact with your document. So the next time you're deep in an exhaustive report or assembling a hefty project document, remember to utilize bookmarks to make your experience more efficient and organized. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your documents neat and navigable.